My name is Mary Immaculate Chelagat. I work as a customer experience executive for Safaricom for the last 6.5 years. I love my job. It has given me a grand opportunity to develop my personal and professional skills. One of the most interesting encounters I've had is I had a customer who had called several times and he was following up on a reversal, and I could hear that that was not the real issue. And on further probing, I realized that this customer just needed someone to talk to. I was able to give him a few contacts for people who could support him through counseling, and when I checked up on him later, he was doing much better. That question about one of the most funniest encounters I've had a customer demand that I sing for them happy birthday on call. For me, I was shocked. I was like, pardon me? And she was like, yes, sing for me. The most unusual questions are usually mostly around relationships. Give me your number, I like your voice, can you marry me? And when you try to dodge it, one told me, you know, you can't buy people in the shop. These are places we can meet people. My best customer service voice. Jambo, thank you for calling Safaricom. My name is Immaculate. How can I assist you? I'm very good at events, so I would want to experience the magnitude of planning events for Safaricom, emceeing them, moderating conversations, so I will definitely want to switch it up for that role. For me, agility is the speed at which we are able to come up with solutions for our customers, because the needs keep changing. Their needs mostly used to be for voice. Right now, most people's needs is for data. Our agility is our ability to be able to quickly adjust and provide products and services for that. 3 words to describe Immaculate: fun-loving and wellness ambassador.